Start the show!
This is my pleasure to bring you from Coalition Theater in Richmond, Virginia, Middle Management!
Alright, us and then you can go drink.
This is Katie Holcomb.
This is David
We're Middle
Pijor.
Management.
That's right. And not only do we improvise together, but we live together. And I'll tell you one thing.
I thought we were going to that thing was like,
Alright. Let me think. Well, one thing that David does that annoys me is that we have different dishwasher loading styles.
oh yeah, I don't do it. I don't do it.
Yeah, it's like I feel like I'm really meticulous with like making sure that I get like the maximum load in the dishwasher. And sometimes you'll wash it and I'll open it, and there will be like 2 pots on the bottom.
Yeah, I get distracted really easily.
I'm like, that was a waste.
Yeah, I also don't do the whole cleaning the dishes before you put them in
No,
the
he doesn't
dishwasher.
pre-rinse.
Because it's a dishwasher. I'm not a dishwasher. That's a dishwasher.
So we disagree on dishwashing.
Agree to disagree.
We don't agree to disagree, we just disagree.
Okay.
But what is something that, like with a roommate or a spouse, like what's something you guys don't see eye to eye on?
Air conditioning.
Air conditioning. Oh!
Neither do we.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How the fuck are we going to enjoy this cabin?
Oh no! I don't know. What, am I supposed to crack a window? Is that what I'm supposed to do?
No, you're not cracking any goddamn windows. I'm not going to let mosquitoes come in here and take my precious blood. Alright? I guess we're going to have to sweat it out. Told you we should fucking take it out.
Hey! Calm down. Calm down. This nice furniture, all right? The Hendersons were very cordial. And I want to leave a good review in that guest book I was reading.
Pretty sweet place. It's got rustic charm, but modern feel.
Yup. I liked it when we came in, there were logs on a fire on the flat screen TV.
It's pretty cool. It's a combination of rustic charm and modern feel.
It's good. I'm going to write that in the guest book right now so I don't forget that's the thing that I wanted to mention about it.
Guys. Oh, Cheerios, my friend.
Fully stocked Cheerios.
Oh, shit.
I'm going to go ahead and say
Bowls?
Whoa.
No!
Hold up. I'm going to open this drawer, and if there's silverware in it,
If there's
If there's
silverware
in that drawer,
and it's clean and doesn't have any water spots and shit, I'm gonna leave a note in that guest book. And now you know I don't do that because I don't like people seeing the soft side of me.
all right, Steve Harvey survey says. Steve Harvey. Ooh.
Plastic. That is neither rustic nor modern.
Cheap. That's just cheap. You're gonna put real plates that I could break, that I could accidentally knock off a counter and break, but you're gonna give me plastic silverware? Like, who do you think I am?
What are we paying for? Or what are we going to do? Eat Cheerios with plastic spoons?
What do I look like? I'm 5 years old and on an assisted breakfast plan?
Whoa!
I am not
Whoa!
a 5-year-old on
Whoa!
assisted breakfast.
You're left-handed? What?
Well, this is why we came to a cabin, to learn about each other. Like, I don't know,
me something about you. Tell me just a fact I don't know or whatever. Like, deep dark, what?
Got hemorrhoids. Got hemorrhoids, and that's why I prefer to have my living area be of a cool nature. Because the hemorrhoids make me sweat already.
I did not know that was a side effect of hemorrhoids.
It's not a side effect of hemorrhoids, it's a side effect of the stress that comes along with having a hemorrhoid.
Beware, if you have hemorrhoids, you may not enjoy this cabin because the fucking air conditioning doesn't goddamn work!
There's a couple new guys at the cabin.
I saw him drive up in an SUV and take out Whole Foods bags.
Oh, those white yuppie humans.
I can't wait to get my paws on their goodies. Do I need to be more specific? That's a note I've gotten from several other of the bears.
Christopher and all the other bears, we've been talking.
Yeah.
Well, your details have been lacking in our attack plans on the humans.
Oh, I thought the last plan I came up with was just great.
Oh yeah, you think it was that great, huh?
Hey, Little Browns, Short Brown.
Yeah, that's my name. Don't wear it out.
You need to learn your place in this bear hierarchy. Don't question me. You're still learning, you're still little, you're still a cub.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Tags me along everywhere.
I thought my last plan was pretty good. I was like, hey guys, we're gonna go to the cabin. We're gonna wrestle some stuff.
Right there! Right there, we're bears. We need to know more than just stuff. Stuff could mean a lot of things.
Well, what do you want to wrestle? You're a bear.
I don't know. You're the one coming up with the plans when you do this. Like if it was me, if I hadn't retired.
Oh, here it comes.
Well,
The truth comes out.
Well, if I hadn't retired, maybe the plans would be more specific. Like, let's rustle the boards along the cabin wall.
See, that's not what I was thinking at all.
I don't know what you're thinking, and really none of us are angry at you. We just want to know what you're thinking. God damn.
Just try the hardest I can. There's so much pressure with you being on the Bear Council. You have such a legacy to live up to.
Come with her.
Oh, bear.
Bear hug.
Yes, so as humans, in this human count, would you like to have a seat?
Oh, I'm allowed to do that.
We're humans, we can.
Well.
So as humans on the human council of human beings who do human things, our next order of human business is, brunch. Shall we?
We shall. That would be a delightful Homo sapien thing to do.
Very good, very good. Next item of human business. This is one that I've been wanting to clear up. We reproduce through...
What?
I mean, I'm just confused about the whole process.
Laughnacks, I think we need to go back to the spaceship.
Thank you. Thank you. This so weird.
Look at all of these dumb human things.
I mean, nothing about this makes any sense.
No.
Like, why is it that you spend 12 hours a day doing something that you don't want to do for another human who doesn't appreciate it, and you don't get anything? Nothing. The minimum at best.
Look at it. Why are you going to pay money to have TV be presented to your screen, and then they strangle the speed of the internet, but you're still paying money?
Why do they tell everybody that the average penis is 6 inches? Because that is not fair.
I know, on Flagnar it's 12 feet.
I miss Flagnar.
I do too.
Honey, I see you're home from space work.
Yeah.
I was just setting the alien table.
A bunch of the buddies pranked me today and stomped all over my 11-foot long penis. So I took a sick day and just dragged it.
Oh no. Well, thank God our Flagnar government has full health care for all aliens. So that you can go to the doctor and get your gigantic 12-foot penis.
11 foot, don't give me a big head. 11 foot.
Well, come, I fixed your...
I'm trying. Did I just smack you in your alien twat?
alien twat.
I forgot you have two. You only let me put this in one.
Okay. You know very well that... You look exhausted.
It was a rough day. There's new management.
What?
Yeah.
I thought things were gonna change.
They
once-
did, the management. Management changed. But no, they weren't. You thought... Don't touch my hair. Zuh. Don't touch my hairs. Yeah, it's been rough. I feel like there's a whole new guard coming in. They're just shoving us old guys with tenure out. You're just going to stand there in silence? Quit looking at me with your eye.
Oh my God, bad news.
Well, it couldn't be any worse than my day. Bunch of comrades stomping over my 11-foot schlong. Sticking with it.
I'm leaving.
What? To get dinner? To pick up the kids from play practice?
No. My mom picked up the kids from space play practice. I'm leaving you.
What? Why?
Well, I got a chance.
Who's going to give you a chance?
You know my dream has been ballet ever since I was hatched.
You didn't even get your GED, baby. Who's
Who's gonna give you a
Who's
job?
gonna give me a
Who's
job?
gonna give
Who's
you a
gonna
job?
give me a job? You know what? They said you'd say this. They said that you would say this.
Oh yeah, who's they?
Ran into Quark. Do not make that face.
Oh, he'll just say it. He'll say it. But you've got star quality written all over you.
Quark, I don't know what to say. You make me feel like I'm young again. You make me feel like I could do this. You make me feel that I could.
Back away. Look in that mirror. Look in that mirror and you tell me what you see, what you want to be.
See a woman who's settled. See a woman who's settled for a house on Nebulon.
Ooh, you.
3.5 hatchlings.
That's quite the brood.
A husband who
Oh.
Quark, what?
A husband. Oh, nothing.
Well, you can't imagine that I didn't move on. I said, you can't imagine that I didn't move on.
It's a shame that you have so many people in your life who don't appreciate you for your God's given talent.
I wish I could have followed my dreams like you did, but I was scared. And now look at you, Quark. You have a business card that says you are a talent agent. You've made your dream happen. And I don't know, I guess I succumbed to the Nebulon dream.
Plie for me.
I couldn't. These old 4 feet.
Well, I bet you could.
I'm all left these days.
I think you're all right.
You look like you got like 0 sleep.
That's about right. 0 good sleep.
What's up? You want to rap at me for a little while? You look like you need someone to talk to.
Yeah. I've been having a lot of doubts about my current major. I'm really starting to think that this 4 years and all this money I'm giving to this university is not going to benefit me. I feel like that I'm just wasting my time studying and just drinking Red Bulls and just making constant stops to the 7-Eleven every night. And then like I'm about to blow my goddamn brains out for what? For what? It's just like, it's like I'm being set up for grad school and like more fucking money. Like, what is this? This whole, you're part of the system. This system is just feeding me into another goddamn system. And now I'm going to be like unleashed like a pigeon who gets shot immediately when he leaves a cage. I felt like I could come to you because you seem pretty cool.
No, hey, yeah, as your RA, I want you to know that I'm totally cool. Like, I'm the coolest. Like, I hear everything that you're saying, and I'm like, the system, I know!
Yeah?
I know all about this school, man. I didn't spend 12 years at it for nothing.
So, do you have any sort of good at, like, to make me feel better?
Did I mention I've been an RA for 12 years?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't eat the pizza in the calf. It's not as good as you think it is.
Yeah, I didn't. And
Sorry, that advice always works.
do you have a bite for me to eat now?
Man, all I've been eating for the past 12 years, ramen noodles and the kind of macaroni and cheese that you put in the microwave. Can I tell you something? Can I confide in you?
Just do it, yeah.
I've been living my whole college career, all 12 years of it, trying to make people think that I'm cool. And you know what I realized? I'm not cool.
No, you're the coolest.
I'm a loser.
You're the coolest.
I've lived in a dorm for 12 years, bro.
That's pretty great.
I've been hanging out with freshmen ever since I was 18 years old. And how old am I now, huh? Am I 30?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does. 18 plus 12.
Boom. Knowledge isn't so uncool, is it? I think I'm stumbling upon something here. You just gotta let me work it out, okay? I've had a lot of these pep talks over the years, and I really get better as I go. You gotta just let me warm up a little bit.
I'm just another cog in a wheel.
Me too, man. You and me both.
It's really hot in your dorm room.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's been like that for 12 years. I reported it like my first day of RA, and they said they were gonna send someone.
Well, I'm not fixing the chair, Phil. Alright, I got a long list of fucking duties. There's 16 floors in this thing. I had 12 reports of broken air conditioners. Alright?
Well, I'm not fixing the chair, Bill. I got a list my arm's length long. Huh? I got a shower that's only pumping out cold water. Huh? I got sinks that don't work. I got rats in the basement.
Alright then, we'll agree to just not fix this chair.
This chair is out of commission until we are done with the rest of our duties. Not
All right.
one more thing.
Back to my duties, back to your duties.
Back to yours.
Speak none more about this chair.
Nobody's gonna fix that chair because we ain't got time.
No! If they want us to work overtime, they will.
Yep. You know that it's really not fair that they it's just the two of us, huh? It's really hard on a third.
Crap, I really miss Carl.
Thought we weren't gonna go there. Thought we weren't gonna talk about Carl.
No, you're right. Talk no more about Carl, no more about that. That thing, that's someone else's job.
You know who would have loved to fix that chair though? Carl would have loved to fix that. But Carl's not here.
He's not here.
Carl's not here because he got a better job at UVA, so he took it.
All right.
God damn it, Carl. Don't.
God.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't break down on me today. Don't you dare.
I spend so much time fixing other stuff that I don't fix myself.